So my term project is in TK-Enter, and so it's supposed to be like a visualization of like interstate trade data and all that is represented on a network. And so like the way I have it set up right now, like you don't see all the nodes on the network at one time because when you do that, it gets pretty hectic. But you can select lines, and so when you click each node, you see like each state that it connects with. And then on the right hand side, you can see all the information about that state, like its GDP, its top exports, like top export partners, things like that. The size of the circle on the state represents the size of the GDP, and the also based on the GDP. Oh, also the color is based on the GDP, and like that scale is shown on the right hand side, and that's like where the like where there's like overlaid on it. So yeah, so like the whole point of this project is to basically make it like very intuitive for the user to be able to see how like U.S. states interact with each other. And so you can also click no lines, and so then like the connections that a state has is represented by like the colors. So you can see like basically like that state, New York is connected to everything. For some reason, I think this is South Dakota, doesn't work, but everything else does. And let me see something that like might have less. Yeah, for the most part, like all states in the union are like essentially just like connected. And so I prefer the lines format. So I also have this text box where you can be able to like search for which commodity you want to display. So like right now, like the default is all commodities, so you can see connection from New York to and California. So from New York to California, the value of the commodities that move between them is like 22 billion. Just about, that's only within the United States, and that's like one direction. And then if you look the other direction, it's 21 billion. So like over the course of like playing around with the graph, like or the project, like I hopefully you'll get like a better sense of how these states interact with each other. So for the commodity, I have like let's say there are all different commodities, but you can look at the let's see like animal feed and products of animal origin, and so you can be able to see like what's the value of the trade we took in that sense. It's basically nothing.